It's always nice when people are kind to you, you know, and when people like the products that you're making, that's a fun time because that doesn't happen all that often, as you know. It's also fun because I get to spend time with people that I think a lot of people at home think we all just hang out together. You know, I think they think we have, like we're always at the Hilton drinking champagne. And the truth is, I hadn't seen Brad in about a year. You know, when I saw him at the Globes, or I think maybe in Palm Springs just before that. So it's fun to catch up, and it's fun to see people that I like and that I haven't seen in a long time.
His house, I guess.
Just some guy, it could be anybody.
And he had his hand on her ass. It was gross.
So at the premiere of Far From Heaven, I had my engagement ring, and I said, George, I'm engaged. And he said, oh, well, I bought a villa. And I'm like, wow. And he said, you need to go to my villa for your honeymoon. And I said, oh my God, are you serious? You're really serious, right? You're serious. And he said, I'm serious. I'm not like one of those Hollywood people that says, let's have lunch, and then we never have lunch. And so I hounded him about that villa, and he literally sent a car to come pick me and my husband up.
You know what Miss Leaf will do to me if she knew I was telling stories on her?
Well, I was thinking that we wouldn't have to tell her. The other maids would have to keep it a secret, too.
All the maids.
Well, I was hoping to get 4 or 5.
Je sais pas si on peut être prêt pour les Oscars, parce que non, mais parce que parce que c'est très nouveau pour moi et que j'ai déjà gagné, moi, le fait d'être là avec tous ces acteurs et tous ces artistes, c'est déjà énorme, quoi. Et donc je vous avoue, je n'y pense pas tellement à tout ça. J'ai envie d'avoir la surprise, j'ai envie d'avoir des grandes émotions, donc j'ai pas envie d'anticiper.